Guys, I got this new deck. It's called Daily Guidance from Your Angels Oracle Cards. So I pulled cards for you. No, I'm not really a reader, but I like pulling cards, and sometimes, and most of the time, it's accurate. So this is your card. Listen, quiet your mind, beloved one, and listen to our gentle reassurance that everything has been taken care of. Stay in quiet and receptive state without worrying about the exact nature of your desire's manifestation. A quiet mind and body hears us quickly and clearly. This is our request to you. Listen. Oh my God. Yeah, I really need to listen more. The ocean. The deep blue sea speaks to your soul, healing and soothing you. Even the act of imagining yourself dipping into its healing womb brings about desirable effects. Better yet, spend time physically near the ocean. Allow its power and beauty to wash away all cares and concerns. So this is from my new deck. This decks, the angel cards are my favorite. So this one, angel number 143, preparation. Life is filled with phases. The whisper is telling you to prepare for the unexpected and allow to pass through with a sense of peace. Financial and creative changes are upon you. My dreams and desires are coming to fruition, bringing change that I welcome with an open heart and mind. Oh my God, this is also for me. Okay, so I have my Angels of Abundance cards. Okay, the first one, I've got five. The first one, exercise to increase your energy and manifestation abilities. The key to manifesting quickly is to have very high energy levels, and the easiest way to increase them is through physical exercise. Choose a fun and meaningful activity so that you look forward to exercising and it becomes its own reward. I usually dance, guys, if I want my energy to be high. Yeah, I really need to dance tomorrow. We have to manifest better. The 28th is coming. It's lunar eclipse, so it's a good portal for manifestation. Face your financial fears. When you are honest with yourself about fears of success or failure, they can no longer control you. Be free of hidden fears by exposing them to the light of awareness, and you'll realize that in fact you have nothing to fear, and that every successful person has struggled with the released these self-doubts. Clearing debts. Yeah, I have debts. So yeah, we need to clear our debts. It's very important. Your self-care involves removing the heavy burden of financial and emotional debts from your life. You already feel lighter, freer just facing this topic and making a plan to clear present obligations and avoid future ones as well. So this is my priority right now, guys, to clear my debts and then of course to save. Release resentments with money. Yes, the money system of the world can seem upsetting, but holding resentments about finances just pushes your abundance away. Instead, see money as a tool you can use to better the world, and this shift will help you attract support and golden opportunities. The last one is successful funding. Your idea is divinely guided and supported by the same infinite wisdom of God that gave you the idea. Do not allow money concerns to prevent you from turning it into reality. Crowdfunding, partnerships, and other investments are available to help you. So, guys, you're gonna have funding if you're thinking of a business. Okay, so it is divinely guided. The last one is my tarot, beginner's tarot cards. Okay, so I pulled just one. Outpouring. It's the Ace of Wands. So new beginnings, good news, physically starting something, creative spark, New initiative, finding new passion, enthusiasm, urgency, accepting challenge, potential, talent, and growth. Guys, the Ace of Wands is a really good card. So, again, new beginnings and good news. This is so nice. Okay, that is your reading for today. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you with good health, wealth, and abundance in all areas of your life.